Greetings from VAR Tech. This is a demo of our products. Hello everybody. This is our VAR Tech model SS5050DS 50 MHz DSO. This is fully menu based DSO where you can just connect the input. For example, now we are connecting the test signal and you can just press the auto set button and everything comes out automatically. After that, you can make the changes whatever you require. Similarly, you can do the same with channel 2 or both the channels. Different menus for the vertical, horizontal, triggering and other options are on the front panel like storage, measurement, acquisition, display and other functions. The menu can be switched off when not required. All our DSOs come with a USB connector in the front panel for using a pen drive which can be connected there to store waveforms and other data. There is another USB port on the rear panel which can be used to connect to any computer. This is our VAR Tech model SDD6M DDS signal generator. This can be used up to 6 MHz in two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. You can change the frequency through the front panel which has menu based operation. As you can see, you can also change the signal waveform between sine, square, triangle and various other waveforms. The menu operation is very simple and you can change the frequency, amplitude, waveform and various other parameters of the output signal. Now we are going to change the signal to triangle. Now we are going to show the output in channel 2. As you can see, the same set of waveforms and the same frequency range and amplitude range is available in channel 2 also. Output can be obtained in both the channels simultaneously. Now we will show you how to change the amplitude of the waveform. You can change the amplitude up to 20 volts peak to peak. This also has a PC interface using USB connection on the rear panel. This is our VAR Tech SGDA15M model DDS signal generator which goes up to 15 MHz. It is having a 2.4-inch color LCD TFT display and is a totally menu based system. You can operate this very easily using the menu shown on the display and the keypads provided beside that. You can vary the frequency and the waveforms very easily. Different kinds of waveforms, sine, square, triangle, pulse, sawtooth and other kinds of waveforms including various arbitrary waveforms are provided. This has two channels. You can use both the channels or either of them. Here you can see the amplitude being varied and the offset being varied. Now we are going to connect channel 2. As you can see, the same set of waveforms are coming in channel 2 also. This comes with a USB PC interface which is provided on the rear panel. This is our VAR Tech model SA1GT 1 GHz spectrum analyzer, which goes up to 1050 MHz. As you can see, it has various scan width settings and various attenuation buttons. You can feed any signal up to 1050 MHz and view the same along with all its harmonics in this spectrum analyzer. It also has the facility of a marker, and wherever the marker is, it will show the frequency in the display provided. As you can see, the frequency now set is about 6 MHz, which is showing in both the functionator and the spectrum analyzer. This functionator of ours goes up to 15 MHz. So we are showing the signal at 15 MHz. To remove the noise, you can use the video filter so that you can view the signal more clearly and make measurements. Now again the marker is being brought to the signal, which shows 15 MHz. This spectrum analyzer has a built-in tracking generator which has its own set of attenuators. This is the tracking generator section. Thank you very much.